Are you excited about what we're doing today?
No, I'm not. I'm not getting fixed up for this. I know what's ahead. Mud, feces, animals, cow teats. We're going homesteading. We're going for a full homesteading experience, so hopefully you and your dad will realize this is not the life for us.
My dad and I have been discussing how we want to do homesteading and have chickens and just live the farm life. You know, my mom is a city girl. So we thought we would take her on a farm experience. She's gonna milk a cow and we'll see if she's up to homesteading life. She thinks we're gonna realize that we don't actually like homesteading and that we're as bougie as she is.
She might not be wrong.
I don't think y'all are gonna like homesteading. That's why we're doing this. Jeff, you're not gonna want to get up at 5 a.m. You know, these are living creatures, chickens and goats and cows have to be milked, you know?
Early.
Yeah, it's not like your lackadaisical yet successful gardening, which you don't even go out there until sometimes 1 in the afternoon to tend to the garden.
These are living,
These are
dependent
creatures
beings
that can't adjust to Jeff's schedule. So I just feel like when you're getting up at 5 having to milk a cow, hopefully you'll come to the realization that homesteading is not for us. Under Arkansas law, an agritourism activity operator is not liable for the injury or death of a participant. The risk of animals, weather, land conditions, and the potential for you as a participant to act in a negligent way that may contribute to your own injury or death. You are assuming the risk of participating in this agritourism activity.
How do you feel about that?
I could go home. I could go home. It's a lovely day and a beautiful drive, and we could turn around right now. Oh my gosh, he's chasing the car.
the chicken is.
I think he's supposed to be on the other side of the fence.
Where is he?
He was coming after the cars back there.
Oh, there's some doggies.
I've lived like this. I'm up for it. I'm up for homesteading. Full-size kitchen. Put washer, dryer, stove. This is so nice. I love this sink. There's a whole master bedroom with a master bath. Split floor plan. Which is exactly what I've been looking for when we move in together. Living room, dining room. There's 2 bedrooms back here.
Yeah.
Look at these cute twin beds.
The little hangers in the closet are crocheted.
There's some wasp spray kill.
Oh,
Right
good.
there.
Yeah, good.
And a fire pit. And the sunset is going to be gorgeous.
So far, it's your vibe.
Yeah, this is my jam. For sure. It's a video.
Okay.
Ready for homesteading?
I am ready for homesteading. Are you ready for homesteading?
Yeah. Yeah, if it means your dad will build me a house like this, in a place like this.
Welcome. Let me show you where to go.
It's chicken.
You gotta come over here.
We brought no snacks. So here we are trying to figure out if there's something we can make with powdered sugar, flour, and butter. Because we need the snacks. We could just go to bed.
We can't. Who can sleep if they're hungry?
What do you think tomorrow will be like?
Strenuous.
I think it'll be fun. Gonna milk a cow. I've never milked a cow. We milked a cow?
No, I've never had a sight to milk a cow.
Is an hour and a half gonna be enough for you to wait?
No, it's not. I need a full hour. I need a full hour to wait to have 2 cups of coffee and a bowel movement.
Well, you better get to bed then.
I'm going to bed now. Good night.
Good night.
You always get me with my retainer in.
Do I always?
No.
Every single video
Yeah, every
I've ever
single
taken,
video.
you have your retainer in.
Yes.
Good morning.
We thought there'd be the sunlight coming in, like.
That's what I thought too. I was
still dark
surprised to
outside.
wake up and find out that it was dark.
So dark.
It's time to still sleeping.
You ready to milk a cow?
I'm too tired to do this today.
Let's go, homesteading queen.
Check her out. She's got her homesteading boots.
I'm exhausted and we haven't done anything yet. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Anything that we would just walk through
Yeah.
everything with you on a regular day this morning.
Yes.
And then tomorrow morning a guest day.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Farming.
And you want to clamp off up top so that you're stopping the milk from going back up into the udder.
Okay.
And then you're bringing the rest of your fingers kind of down and flat around to your palm and squeezing off.
Excuse me.
I'm bigger. I need more calories.
Wait. Somebody else have
I need
some.
more calories. Look at me.
Here, you have some. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, let somebody else have some, please.
And I'm hungry.
You're the only one that's hungry.
What'd you think of this morning, huh?
That's fun.
Good. Even for you.
Yeah.
She likes the barley.
I like the barley.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's tasty.
Did you try it?
Yes, it was really good.
Good.
She didn't milk the cow, but
did
she
not.
will tomorrow.
Hey there. Hi, everybody. So I don't have any food for you. I don't have any food, but I do have loving. I can love you. Yes, I can. Please don't eat me. Don't eat my sleeve. Don't bite me. Don't eat my sleeve. I feel very crowded right now. Hey, man. Don't be biting my jeans. Okay, you're all up in. Hello. Hello. Okay.
We didn't bring our swimsuits.
We did not bring our
So don't make this same mistake that we did. Because we are a family and do not want to be naked.
I don't
in the
want to
hot tub.
dangle around in front of my kid, my daughter. Here, daughter, get all my junk. Let's all get in the hot tub together, Nikki.
So bring your swimsuit so you can enjoy the hot tub.
Bring a swimsuit.
It's day 2.
Day 2. Last day.
I don't think we're meant for a farm life.
I'm not. I like slow living.
This is not slow living.
This is not. It's early. It's early.
I hope y'all got this out of your system. I don't want to hear any more about homesteading. I want to be at home. I can't do any more farm life. Y'all, don't make me go.
I'm not disappointed in the chores and the things that you do on the farm.
No,
And
I
think I like it, but it's not something I'm gonna wake up every day. I mean, there's so much to do on the farm, like every day,
Constant.
constant.
I heard that rooster this morning. I was like, you need to go on. You need to just go on.
The morning thing, not so much.
I'm not.
She's not a morning person.
Just
Not
not.
a morning person.
Mediocre
okay.
morning. Mediocre morning to you.
Well, I'm the morning person.
Good morning.
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 How are you all doing?
Barely
We're
awake.
here.
Yeah.
So what are we thinking? Do you think you're gonna help us roll some hay in?
Not
cows
today. I'm headed to the office.
Are you
but
sure?
you have a
It
lot
could
of
be
fun with that.
Can I go to the office?
Amy,
I'll go to the office.
You've got all the dogs on you.
Yeah, you do.
I told Jeff
Even
this morning,
Percy.
I know. I see that.
if he wants to be married to an attractive person, we can't do this homesteading.
What made you decide to start offering the farm experience?
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, we had started our guest house as just a stay. And then we didn't have anything here. We had a cow that I had tied to a post out there that I was milking. And people would wander down and ask if they could, milk the cow or could they do things on the farm. And I'm looking at this cow thinking this is not really, it's just barely safe enough for me, not for guests.
Yeah.
So I started looking around and checking out different options. I found Farm Stay US that had just opened up maybe a year or two before. And I called people all over the country. So I joined Farm Stay and then I called people all over that were part of Farm Stay and asked them, what did you like? What didn't you like? What would you do again? What would you never do? And we started moving in that direction. So we started with the farm stay probably in 2012. We built the barn and kind of shifted gears a little bit, set things up so that they were kind of more safe for for guests that aren't used to being around farm animals, and then also visible so people could interact and do things and enjoy the experience. And then finally it was function. So it's kind of set up backwards of a standard dairy, but
Yeah.
yeah. And then things just kind of have slowly grown from there. People want to know where their food comes from.
Yeah.
They want to know, you know, their kids are 2 generations removed from any sort of farm contact. So if we can bring that back, if people can sit together and eat at the table, you know, they don't do that anymore. A lot of families do not eat together.
Yeah.
So if we can bring them around and they say, oh, you know, we need to start eating together at least a couple of times a week. I'm thinking, okay, I've done my job, you know? Or if
Yeah.
they notice a farmer's market because they ate here and we talked about all the things that came from the farmer's market. You know, if now they drive past and they see the one that has been in their town and they never even noticed it, and they start going there and kind of bringing home fresh produce and finding out what farms are in their area, you know, that's the goal.
Just a leaf. Farm life. I want a nap. I want a shower.
I know.
I want a spa day.
Should we do that? Find a spa on the way home?
All right.